Today we're going to be playing with our RC We'll try and attempt to crash. Why you gotta be kidding me? So we're gonna do a front flip. This is way too fast for the camera. Land. Yes. Alright. Now I'm gonna put on full speed. Alright, it's on full speed. Back up. Alright.
So zoomed in on your face.
We messed up.
And so I was like, boink.
Let me see if it's good.
Back it up, back it up, back it up.
Okay, let me see if it's good. No,
Frick. Reese, no, the green van. Reese, the green van.
it's gonna be hard. Oh, here you go. Now I got it.
Ready?
Okay, ready? Guys?
3,
Alright.
2, 1. Full steam ahead. No! We were so close. That thing went flying on a cartwheel.
Landed on its body.
Oh my god. Drift!
Alright. 3?
3.
Not yet, not yet. There's cars like, everywhere. Alright, 3.
2, 1. Full steam ahead.
Why did it turn? Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
Oh, that didn't sound good. That didn't sound good.
Guys, it's dead.
Look.
Is it good?
Just a little-
Reese.
Oh, that's bad. We lost the pin. That's bad.
Oh, I found it.
Thank you. You're my savior.
Guys, we lost the pin. And then I found it.
Let's get this thing back in.
Hey, let's up to our spot.
If you hadn't checked out the first one, our first video for the RC car, it's called Geo 1D. That's what we named it.
Geo 1D.
And
Gold. That we named it Gold, but it was just with a 1.
yeah, Geo 1D.
Just drift. That's what I'm gonna do. Cartwheel! Cartwheel! I got that on video.
We're gonna be checking that out after.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Drift!
Dustin!
Woohoo! Ocean over his toes. Oh my god. Why is that thing so scary? Cartwheel!
Is that Bryson's stuff?
No, he can't drive. Frick. I was like, that thing's gonna Hey guys, let's send it down the street. Where's Daisy? Oh, no. Just here. Boing! Oh, yeah! Oh my god! Donuts! Oh! Frick! That thing shot rocks on my toes. Oh! I got
Oh my
I know I
God.
did.
Oh my god. That is crazy.
Drive up. Frick. Ooh, that didn't sound good. For that way. Squatty kick.
How'd they hit the tire?
Oh, what is that? I see like a bee
A what?
or a wasp.
Oh, yeah, that's a bee. Instead, it got stuck in the tire. The thing.
My feet hurt. My toes cut open.
I got it back together. That if we lost the pin right there, that would be good.
Drift, drift. Frick. Frick. Ow.
Almost in the back.
Show this real quick.
Alright. It has to get it. I'm holding this with one hand. There you go.
That hurt really bad. God, please no.
Woo. And also, our friend's moving into a house on our street.
So we're just waiting for them. That's why we came outside.
They're supposed to be out here today, but they're not here yet.
It might take place. We live on Johnson Street.
And he's moving out to our street.
Ooh,
Ejected.
deflected. Why is he going crazy?
I don't know.
On the tire. He's on the tire.
Good.
Turn at us. Oh my god. No!
Perfect. Oh, something happened.
Where's the room?
My key.
That went on video.
Oh no.
Get out the street! You have to go run and grab it. I'm faster than you. I can run in the street. Is it good?
It's dead.
Dead. Well, the RC car's dead, so bye bye.
Not yet, not yet, not,
Not
yet.
yet, not yet.
I got a secret plan. First, turn off this.
Then
1, 2. Turn it back on. 1, 2. Pop this on. See that?
back on. First one.
Click. It's dead.
Well, we're not leaving yet. We still have to try that trick.
And also, it's dead. So we're gonna go change the battery real quick. Let's go.
Let's go.
It doesn't take long, so I'm not gonna edit this because it takes like 2 minutes, like 1 minute.
Going to show the license plate of the car.
Oh my god. Ow, my foot. Oh my god, this thing weighs like 20 billion pounds.
Yeah, I'm the cameraman, I guess.
Oh, my arm hurts. Alright. Oh. 1, 2. This is just. Where is it? Right here. Cut the battery. That's gonna be it for today. Bye.